a bit information about assembling this guy. So I recommend you to use something like that to fix all screws at its place. I use this one. And don't forget to add this thing on this screw. Also, as you can see, I use radiator together with fan to smooth out temperature differences when you load the processor to prevent throttling. Here you can see it's fixed a bit left, because in other case you push PCB here. Another important thing, don't forget to fix this wire at place, because in other case you can broke it with another tray. About fans, here I use 8 cm fans, 5 of them, and connect each one by one with this wire. I'll mention link in the description, and connect it directly to this one. And now I can use it with usual power adapter for 12 volts. Also, I add some oil on this guide. As you can see, this one a bit shorter, but fit for display.